Okay, so let's make our edible strawberry lip scrub. But before we start, I just wanted to tell you guys, lip scrubs are very beneficial in getting rid of dead skin cells. They're not only just for an edible snack, but they're really good, so try it out. So the first thing we are going to do is get our sugar. We got 2 bowls of sugar, and we're just going to dump that in there. 1 dump. We're going to pour the next sugar in there, and that's our second dump of sugar. And then we're going to get our coconut oil. We already have it measured up to like 160 ml, and then we're just going to add some of our pink food coloring. I want it to be like a strawberry type pink, like, so not too dark, actually not even like strawberry, like Starburst type pink, like a light pink color, since like our bubblegum lip scrub is a darker pink. So then we're going to add our strawberry flavoring oil from Get Suckered. I love them so much. I'm just gonna open that, and oh my goodness, I couldn't open it because you know it has that type like open where you gotta push it down. So I finally got it open, and now I'm just going to put a couple drops in there. I just like to use like probably like 10 drops, but that's only because I'm not making a big batch and it's very potent anyways, but I just like to put more because yeah, I love strawberry. So now that that's done, we're gonna put our strawberry flavoring oil to the side, and we're just gonna get our little fork and mix that in there. Now that that's all mixed, we're just going to pour our liquid in there, and after we pour our liquid in there, we're just going to mix that up with our fork just so we make sure that our color is coming out really good. So let's start mixing. So now that that's done, it came out so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's the perfect pink. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. So now let's get our little stun scrub jars. This is a 2-ounce jar. It's actually really big for a lip scrub because some businesses, they use like 1 ounce or like half an ounce. So this is literally 2 ounces for only $5.98. Check us out, check us out. And I like to jam pack it to the top. But our people on our YouTube shorts are always like, why are you overfilling it? You're wasting it. But I love the content, and it's just like so pretty. I just love overfilling it so you can just see the texture and see how pretty it came out. So what do you guys think about our strawberry edible lip scrub? Try it out at home. Check us out at shopstunnershades.com. And now we're just going to show you us putting on our bubblegum lip scrub. This is just us putting it on and just rubbing that in there, and this is stirring. Oh my goodness, look at the you can just tell the difference. Just gonna rub that in there some more, and I like to lick it off. It is edible, you can eat it, and then I like to wipe off the excess, and this is how it came out. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Drop some comments below, leave some likes, and thank you guys so much. Check us out.